Hi friends, IBPS Clerk Prelims question paper number 64. See the first one, reading comprehension. Yes, let us go through this particular paragraph. India is still a cash economy, but if anything managed to chip away at that. మీకేం అర్థమైంది చిప్ అవే అంటే ఇండియా ఈజ్ స్టిల్ ఏ క్యాష్ ఎకానమీ బట్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్ మేనేజ్ టు చిప్ అవే అట్ దట్ దాని నుంచి దూరంగా రాదలుచుకున్నట్లయితే ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ జస్ట్ స్లైట్లీ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ద ర్యాపిడ్లీ ఇన్నోవేటింగ్ డిజిటల్ వ్యాలెట్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. Startups including Paytm, Oxygen Services, and MobiKwik helped the Indian economy take baby steps and the primary steps towards digitization, hand-holding and enticing customers, attracting customers with cashbacks and discounts to make the transition from cash to digital. On February 28th, the RS 12,000 crore digital wallets industry got stranded, unable to meet a Reserve Bank of India deadline for collecting information on all customers. In effect, customers who have not furnished all the information required under RBI's full Know Your Customer norms (KYC) will not be able to use their digital wallets, except to use up whatever money remains in their wallets. Collecting all that information, including biometric details, is cumbersome, and so far, digital wallet providers have managed to gather full KYC details for fewer than 10% of their customers. In other words, dash in the tightly regulated, dismissing, negative meaning aya dismissing అనేది abandoning అది కూడా వదిలేయడమేగా. డిస్మిస్ చేసిన నువ్వు వదిలేస్తావు, అబాండన్ చేసినా వదిలేస్తావు, డిస్యుయేడింగ్ అన్నా కూడా వదిలేస్తున్నావు, ఎస్యుయేడు డిస్యుయేడు. సో దట్ అట్రాక్టింగ్ అనే పదం ఈ మూడిటికి ఆపోజిట్ గా ఆర్డు అన్నగా మనకు కనపడుతోంది. ఎల్యూరింగ్ అనే పదాన్ని అప్లై చేసి చదువుదాం. ఇన్ అదర్ వర్డ్స్, ఎల్యూరింగ్ అంటే అట్రాక్టింగ్. ఎల్యూరింగ్ ఇన్ ద టైట్లీ రెగ్యులేటెడ్ వరల్డ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాంకింగ్ అండ్ ఫినాన్స్, మొబైల్ వ్యాలెట్స్ బ్రాట్ ఇన్ ఏ విఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రెష్ ఎయిర్. ఎల్యూరింగ్ వాళ్ళని అట్రాక్ట్ చేయడంలో మొబైల్ వ్యాలెట్స్ ఒక మంచి ఫ్రెష్ ఎయిర్ని తీసుకొచ్చాయి. యాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ టెక్నాలజీ ప్లేయర్స్ ఇన్ ద కంట్రీ, దీస్ వ్యాలెట్స్ disrupted banks in more ways than one. For many young customers, their first point of contact with formal banking was through a mobile wallet. The biggest advantage that digital wallets or prepaid payment instruments brought was the easy onboarding. All a user had to do was unload the app, verify their mobile number, link a bank account through a debit or credit card, and begin transacting. It was as simple as that. Now customers have to submit photo ID proofs, link their Aadhaar identity numbers, and submit biometric details, making the process almost like opening a bank account. Even so, RBI made full KYC mandatory for digital wallets to reduce fraud in the system and eventually bring the interoperability among the wallets. Now you can go with the alluring for the first question. Second question. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage above? While banks were still using national payment companies like Oxygen Cash launched, no, the number of digital wallet transactions for buying goods and services accounted for only a small no. Having excluded digital wallets, no, interoperable, India is still a cash economy, and anything that has been able to weaken it, even if just slightly, it has been the rapidly innovating digital wallets industry. That is the first point paragraph lo mundiga దీని గురించే ఇచ్చినాడు. That is the fourth option. Question number 3. A blank is given in the passage. Which of all phrases can complete the sentence correctly? ఇందాక ఒకటి చూసినాము. ఎంటైసింగ్ కాదు, ఎంటైసింగ్ అన్నా ఎల్యూరింగ్ అన్నా ఒకటే. నా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏ రావాలంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, that 10% have benefited the most. That's an overnight erosion. The KYC details are difficult to manage and requires a lot of funds. In other words, collecting all that information including biometric details is cumbersome and difficult, and so far digital wallet providers have managed to gather full KYC details for fewer than 10% of their customers. In other words, so that he is talking about KYC here. Thank you. The KYC details are difficult to manage and requires a lot of funds. In the tightly regulated world of banking and finance, మొబైల్ వ్యాలెట్స్ బ్రాట్ ఇన్ ఏ విఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రెష్ ఎయిర్. ఇది బాగానే ఉంది, ఎల్యూరింగ్ బాగానే ఉంది. వెరీ గుడ్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ట్రూ ఇన్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్యాసేజ్? ఏ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ట్రూ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు 4th క్వశ్చన్ లో. కస్టమర్స్ హ్యాడ్ టు ఫర్నిష్ ఆల్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండర్ ఆర్బీఐస్ కేవైసీ. కరెక్ట్. మొబైల్ వ్యాలెట్ హ్యాడ్ బికమ్ ఏ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ బ్యాంకింగ్. కరెక్ట్. Mobile wallet provider promised to stay firm and fight the next battle. What is this battle? Which battle, Babu, you are talking about? So that 3 is not there, only 1 and 2. That is the 4th option. Question number 5. What are the reasons behind the RBI's decision to make full KYC mandatory for digital wallets? Enduku adugutunnaru alaga? Reduce frauds inside the banks, reduce frauds and bring in interoperability among the wallets. Correct. To make digital transactions more easier and convenient. Correct. Both 2 and 3. That is the 5th option. Question number 6. Error location. Read each of the following to find out if there is any grammatical error in it. If any will be one part of sentence, ekkundo cheppanడి. There is no error. Okay. Finally, the retiring judge would address to the assembly and share his own experiences and advise, not advice, experiences and advise, would address and advise, ADVISE, akkada verb రావాలి, his own experience. Finally, the retiring judge would address the assembly and share his own experiences and advice for the future. CE కాదండి, SE. CE ఉంటే noun అవుతుంది, SE ఉన్నట్లయితే verb అవుతుంది. It is too early to talk or indulge in wishful thinking about future calculations. No error. It is too early to talk or indulge in wishful thinking about future calculations. Let us first contest the elections and win a sizable number of seats in order to being able to form a government. There is no error at all. The measure is aimed at. The measure is aimed at. The measure is aimed at. Is aimed. ఎందుకంటున్నారు మాస్టర్? ఈజ్ అనేది బి యొక్క రూపమైనప్పుడు ఎయిమ్ అనేటువంటిది ఖచ్చితంగా వెర్బ్ యొక్క 3వ రూపంలో ఉండాలి మిత్రమా. So that the measure is aimed at promoting e-vehicles use and the government is considering exemption from permits for such vehicles. The measure is aimed at promoting. That is the A, first one. Yes, question number 9. When Mr. Tam Hanker realized she was not going to change her mind, Ran wound అని అన్నాడు. తప్పునన్న. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇక్కడ was not అనేది past tense కనబడుతోందో, wounded a handkerchief around her throat from behind and strangle her till she stopped moving. That is part B. Question number 10. He has produced dozens of research papers and recently continued to review and edit for different ecology journals. Until అనే పదం అక్కడ అవసరం లేదు. He has produced dozens of research papers and recently continued to review and edit for different until recently కాదు, అండ్ రీసెంట్లీ అంటే సరిపోతుంది. అంటిల్ అవసరం లేదు. సెకండ్ వన్ లో ఎర్రర్ ఉందయ్యా. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11. ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. The dawn to dusk Hartal called by Sabarimala Karma Samiti, an umbrella organization of various groups to protest against the entry of two women of reproductive age into the Sabarimala, so that one becomes two, into the Sabarimala temple on Wednesday crippled the state. So ఒకటి ఇంటర్చేంజ్, రెండవది పదము, మూడు చూసినాం, కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 12 ముందుగా మార్చుకుందాం. ఏ చైనీస్ స్పేస్ ప్రోబ్ టచ్డ్ డౌన్ 1-3 అయింది. ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ 1 touched down on the far side of the moon on Thursday. China's space agency said, hailing the event as a historic first and a major achievement. 1-3 correct, hailing kuda correct kauna. First one is our answer. Now let us see, my dear friends, question number 13. Every second means life and death for those. Every second means life and death for those 15 trapped minors. Justice A.K. Sikari said, even as the Supreme Court expressed its dissatisfaction with the ongoing operations to rescue men from the flooded rat hole mine in Meghalaya. So every second means life and death for those 15 trapped. That is 1 and 2, third option. Question number 14. India on Thursday reiterated that it does not send soldiers abroad, but for UN supported package peacekeeping operation. The statement from sources came hours after US President Donald Trump at an interaction. Soldiers kadu. Yes, we can go with the sources and operations. Peacekeeping operations. The statement from sources came. 2 becomes 3. That is the second option. At an interaction spoke derisively about India's development projects in Afghanistan while suggesting that Delhi send troops to the country. 2-3. That is second option. Question number 15, my dear friends. The Supreme Court has declined a request for an urgent hearing of a plea the Supreme Court has declined a request of an 1 becomes 3, that is obloquy of court action against the Sabarimala priest who closed the sanctum to conduct purification rites immediately after two women entered the temple. That is 1 and 3, fourth option. Question number 16. This is a closed test. Currently, the participation of women in the workforce in India is one of the lowest globally. The female labor force participation rate in India fell from 31.2% in 2012 to 23.3% in 17-18. This dash, he is talking about falling of labor force that fell from 31.2% to 23.3%. We can call this falling. The word for falling is decline. This decline has been sharper in rural areas where the female LFPR fell by more than 11 percentage points in 17-18. Social scientists have long, the word have asking us for the V3, have plus V3, have long to explain this phenomena, have long to explain this phenomena. That is tried, have plus V3, have plus V3. Now we can read, have long tried to explain this phenomena, more so in the context of rising levels of education for women. The answers can be found in a complex set of, most probably a plural should come over there, because it is set of a series of, there we need a plural one. Set of what? The plural one is here only one thing, that is factors. Set of factors including low social acceptability of women working outside the household, lack of access to safe, and I need a word which is synonymous to safe. Safe and secure. Safe and secure. The synonymous word for that one, secure. Safe and secure work spaces. Widespread prevalence of poor and unequal wages, and a dash of decent and suitable jobs. One more time. Here we say rare, lacking, scarce, and dearth. All are synonymous. Dearth means scarcity. Scarcity means lacking. That means rare. Only one word is odd one. That one is abundant of. Abundant of. Decent and okay. Most women in India are engaged in subsistence level work in agriculture, rural areas, and in low paying jobs such as domestic service and low paying job. What they are? Low paying job. That is petty job. Petty home based manufacturing in urban areas. But with better education, women are refusing to do casual wage labor or work in family farms and enterprises. A recent study observed a strong negative relationship. Why you are using relationship here? Negative relationship. Negative is an adjective. After adjective you have to use noun. Adjective plus noun. A recent study observed a strong negative relationship between a woman's educational level and her participation. Negative adjective, and I need adjective plus noun. Essentially, women with moderately high levels of education do not want to do manual labor outside the household, which would be to be below their educational qualifications, which would be perceived. B plus V3. Third option. Which would be perceived. B plus V3. Opined and ardhamandi. Perceived ante. Which would be thought and ardham. To be below their educational qualifications. The study also showed a preference among women for salaried jobs as their educational attainment increases. But such jobs remain extremely. The study also showed a preference among women for salaried jobs as their educational attainment increases. But such jobs remain extremely limited for women. It is estimated that among people working as farmers, farm laborers, and service workers, nearly a third are women. Because the proportion of women among professionals, managers, and clerical workers is only about 15%. Let us see one more time. 16th question answer చేయడానికి దానికి ముందు ఉన్న స్టేట్మెంట్ లో LFPR ఎలా పడిపోయిందో చెప్తున్నాడు. ఫెల్ ఫ్రమ్ అని. దానికే మనం వాడాం దిస్ డిక్లైన్ అని. పడిపోవడాన్ని డిక్లైన్ అంటాం కాబట్టి. ఇక 17th వన్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు హ్యావ్ అక్కడ కనపడింది. హ్యావ్ లాంగ్ డాష్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అంటే హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ V3 రావాలి. దట్ ఈజ్ ట్రైడ్ అప్లై చేసాం. ఇంకా 18th వన్లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు సెట్ ఆఫ్ అన్నాడు. సెట్ ఆఫ్ అని వచ్చినప్పుడు ప్లూరల్ రావాలి కాబట్టి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అప్లై చేసాం. సేఫ్ అండ్ అన్నాడు. అండ్కు ముందు ఎటువంటి పదం ఉంటుందో అండ్కి తర్వాత కూడా అటువంటి పదమే ఉండాలి కాబట్టి సేఫ్ అండ్ సెక్యూర్ అన్నాం. అలాగే ఇక్కడ బ్లాంక్ తర్వాత ఆఫ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి అక్కడ మనకి ఏం కావాలంటే నౌన్ కావాలి, అందుకే అబండెంట్ వాడాం. మరీ ముఖ్యంగా అక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ 4 వర్డ్స్, అది ల్యాకింగ్ అవనివ్వండి, రేర్ అవనివ్వండి, స్కేర్స్ అవనివ్వండి, డెర్త్ అవనివ్వండి, 4 పదాలు ఒకే అర్థాన్ని ఇస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ లో అబండెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం. అలాగే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన సచ్ యాజ్ డొమెస్టిక్ సర్వీసెస్, చాలా లో పేయింగ్ జాబ్స్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి పెట్టి హోమ్ బేస్డ్ అన్నాం. ఇక నెగటివ్ అనేది ఐవిఈతో ఎండ్ అయింది, అడ్జెక్టివ్ కావున ఆఫ్టర్ అడ్జెక్టివ్ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ నౌన్, ఓన్లీ ఒకే ఒకటి ఉంది, దట్ ఈజ్ రిలేషన్షిప్. ఇక వుడ్ బిలో బి ప్లస్ వి3 అప్లై చేయాలి కాబట్టి వుడ్ బి పెర్సీవ్డ్ అనేటువంటి పదాన్ని అప్లై చేసాం. ఇక 24th వరకు వచ్చినప్పుడు రిమైన్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ లిమిటెడ్ గా ఉన్నాయి అని మాట్లాడుకున్నాం 24th లో. సో 25th లో రీజన్ చెప్పడం, బికాస్ ద్వారా రీజన్ చెప్పాం. మరొకసారి 16th లో ఫాల్ డౌన్ అయింది కాబట్టి డిక్లైన్ అన్నాం. 17 హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ వి3. 18th లో సెట్ ఆఫ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ప్లూరల్. 19th లో సేఫ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి సెక్యూర్. 20th లో బ్లాంక్ తర్వాత ఆఫ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అబండెంట్ ఆఫ్ మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. అండ్ పెట్టి హోమ్ బేస్డ్ మీనింగ్ ప్రకారం వెళ్ళాం. 22లో నెగటివ్ అనేది అడ్జెక్టివ్ కాబట్టి నౌన్ అప్లై చేసాం. 23లో బి వచ్చింది కాబట్టి వి3 అప్లై చేసాం. సో ఈ విధంగా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసినప్పుడు సుప్రభాతంలో ఉన్న రూల్స్ అన్నిటినీ వాడుకున్నాం. 26. Yes, this is a ABCD model. ఈజ్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వదు. ఇంటర్-గవర్నమెంటల్ సైన్స్ పాలసీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆన్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ అండ్ ఈకోసిస్టమ్ సర్వీసెస్ లేదు. A quarter of all studied animal and plant groups on earth are gravely threatened. The overwhelming message from the global assessment report of the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services is that human beings have so rapaciously exploited nature and that species belonging to a quarter of all studied animal. Can we start with B? Belonging to the overwhelming message from the assessment report of the ANLEM. D tarvata C రావాలి. D tarvata C రావాలి. కానీ A తర్వాత B రావాలి. The overwhelming message from the global assessment report of the IPBES is that human beings have so rapaciously exploited nature and that species belonging to a quarter of all studied animal and plant groups on earth are gravely threatened. DCAB, that is the 5th option. Question number 27. If the world continues to pursue the current model of economic growth without factoring in environmental cost, 1 million species could go extinct, many in a matter of decades. Last one A ayi undali. C to start avali, A to end avali, that is second option. Let me tell you now, if the world continues to pursue the current model of economic growth without factoring in environmental cost, 1 million species could go. That is CDBA, second option. Question number 28. Catastrophic erosion of ecosystems is being driven by unsustainable use of land and water, direct harvesting of species, climate change, pollution, and release of alien plants and animals in new habitats. One more time. Catastrophic erosion of ecosystem is being driven by unsustainable use of land and water, direct harvesting of species, climate change, pollution, and release of alien plants and animals in new habitats. That is a BDCA, that is the third option. There is a particular worry over the devastation occurring in tropical areas which are endowed with A tarvata D ravali, first option. There is particular worry over the devastation occurring in tropical areas which are endowed with greater biodiversity than others. Only a quarter of the land worldwide, while ecosystem losses have accelerated over the past 5 decades universally, now retains its ecological and evolutionary integrity, largely spared of human impact. So that we can go with AD and BC. AD and BC. One more time. AD and BC. Correct. Now, 30th one. When the news broke that PepsiCo was suing small farmers in India for growing a potato variety, ADB, that is used in its Lay's chips, popular sympathies immediately went, of course, to the farmers. So that ADBC one more time. As my dear friend, this is IBPS Clerk Prelims question paper number 64. Thank you very much. Mutual.